She was tied up, held at gunpoint, and robbed of millions of dollars worth of jewelry. And soon, Kim Kardashian will have her day in court. A trial is now underway in Paris for the 10 people accused of robbing her in 2016. And Kardashian is expected to take the stand. ABC News legal contributor Brian Buckmire is back with us now with more on this story. Brian, always good to see you. So what are you looking for in this trial that will be watched by the world?
Well, thank you to ABC, because I'm brushing up on my French and my French law. So I'm looking to see how this court case is conducted. As I said earlier, court cases in France are very different than that of America. It's more of an inquisitorial aspect where the judge is actually asking questions of the witnesses and of both the prosecution and the defense, or the equivalents in France. And so I'm looking to see how the judge handles this case. What are they going to require of Kim Kardashian in terms of the testimony that she receives, and what other facts we're going to learn from these quote-unquote grandpa robbers, because at least 5 of the 10 who committed or allegedly committed this crime are anywhere from 60 to 72 years old.
Wow. And one of the suspects actually died before the trial could even get off the ground. So how will that impact the case?
Well, this is one thing I didn't have to learn about in French law. It's the same thing in America. It's called an abatement by death. So the person who was actually charged with a crime and died in the process of that, their case is dismissed. But if any facts or information tie them towards this individual, of course, that person can't take the stand themselves in their own defense. Other evidence might not be applicable, but the other defendants is all pretty much the same for them. We still have 10 defendants facing charges, and that person being deceased doesn't really change their case in any major way.
Kim Kardashian expected to testify. Will that happen?
Yeah, so there's a great possibility. We've already heard publicly, she said that she is very thankful to the Parisian court system. They've been handling this case very well, even though it's taken almost a decade to go to trial for various different reasons. In French courts, there are a lot less oral arguments or a lot less oral testimony as we see in American courts, but she will be the star witness in many ways. One, because she's Kim Kardashian, and two, because she is the alleged victim in this case, held at gunpoint, tied up, as you mentioned in the opening. And she'll be able to give color and also testimony to the court as the court itself asks some of the questions, not just the defense and the prosecution, as to what happened on that fateful night.
There will be millions who will follow the story. You know that, right?
Absolutely.
All right, Brian Buckmire. Brian, again, thank you. We appreciate it. And always good to see you back.
You as well. Have a good one.
All right.